In this video, we're gonna talk about five different type of AI prompting. And most people, most businesses, they just think that the more information, the more detail they will provide to whatever the tool you are using, DeepSeek, Gemini, Cloud, GPT, any tool. The more detail and information you will give to ChatGPT, you will get better response, you will get better answer, better script, better sales copy, better VSL. Now it's not gonna happen. In this video, I'm gonna cover this five type of AI prompting. The first we have is text or voice. This is quick idea. If you need quick hook, this is more natural. The output you are it's just informational. If you ask any question and if you need more detail, you need to analyze the business and idea. This is the kind of normal stuff. Example we have is give me 10 YouTube hooks for businesses owners struggling with leads, keep each under 12 words. So this is a normal text or voice you give ChatGPT if you have any question, any answer, any question about geopolitics or any business. You just talk to ChatGPT. It's normal conversation. Now, the next we have is Markdown, and Markdown is more than a very clean and a very short answer you are expecting, like outlines, SOPs, or scripts. If you are in any business and you need to create a timeline or task line for your employees or any information, and we also have an example for this prompt. I have been using this five prompt for last for 2 years. So write a YouTube outline in Markdown with three hooks, three steps, example, mistake, CTA, topics, follow-up system. So this is SOP is focused. A structure, kind of structure prompt you give ChatGPT and you will receive a structure, a clean response from ChatGPT. And next we have is JSON. This is not like a coding kind of stuff. This is a very normal if you need to write a sales copy for your business, or if you want to test some different ads creative, or if you need to write different office for offers for different type of your audience, you can use this prompt called JSON, and it's highly structured more than markdown. So the example we have is written JSON only, and this is the we can say that create five ad angle for a roofing company, and you can say the angle name and the company and audience detail, their pain point, weaknesses, and all that kind of stuff. You can add all those details in the prompt. So this is the example, and next we have is schema, and this prompt we use when you need the same format every time, quality and control. You just analyze all your data to your all your audience and your business data, and you generate different scripts, different reels, and you tell ChatGPT to don't break the rules. You just analyze data and you ask ChatGPT to don't break the rule, don't change the offer, don't change the sales funnel, don't change the audience, don't change the uh, any detail, and just give you one prompt, then another script, another video, another reel, another post. So and also we have an example of this prompts. So this is like fill this schema exactly, target audience, cohort, pain point, objection. Like I've already told you, you just give one time information to ChatGPT and you can get many response as you want. So the next we have is code block. This is usually used by developers and software engineers and coders, and this is for totally focused on script, SQL, calculator, automation snippets, and this is kind of clean codes, a clean code, scripts, snippets, or all that kind of stuff that you can't, you just can't expect any mistake in the code. So we also have um example of this AI prompt, and the example is that output only Python in a code block build and live